Hello everyone, it is Ashwin Rao, and today's video features an unboxing of a brand that has a very special place in my heart. That is Winson Shoemaker out of Indonesia. This particular model is one of their more unique models that actually I first found on the Instagram page and feed of Thunder March, who is a prominent Instagram shoe enthusiast who has a number of Winson makeups amongst many other gorgeous pairs. And so this is the Winson Equinox, which is essentially a spiral shaped single monk. Initially I thought it was actually a spiral hole cut, but it actually is not quite a hole cut. It is actually made out of 2 pieces of leather, but still very gorgeous makeup, and one that I have had my eye on. See the beautiful work done here on the box, just the unique texture of this box and the beautiful Winson label. So now you see the shoes. This is a very kind of austere packaging. They don't have any extra laces, no extra polishing cloths or anything like that, no packaging, that kind of foam inserts that you see out of other brands like Macariello or Carmina. Some corners need to be cut in order to save on costs. So you can see bubble wrap encasing 2 shoe bags and 2 shoe trees, really nothing else here. So we're gonna go ahead and take out the shoes and get the box out of the way. Go ahead and take the bubble wrap away. What again you see is this Winson branded shoe bag, fairly simplistic, almost like a pillowcase cloth. And really nothing too fancy here, but still worth noting that you do get shoe bags, but they're fairly low-key shoe bags. I did order these with shoe trees. And so now we're gonna do the big reveal of the Equinox. So I'm gonna go ahead and take out this beautiful pair. There we go, beautiful shoe. See the spiral design that starts with an apron with a buckle, wrapping all the way around to the back heel. Right here, there is a joint here separating one piece of leather from the second, but then you can see the second piece of leather wraps all the way around and creates the remainder of the shoe. For those of you who have followed my channels, you will recognize this particular last. This is their Maryland last, which is a almond-shaped boot last that Winson can use in their shoes as well. And you can see that it has a medium instep, a rounded toe with an almond shape. So it's pretty stylistically a little bit more of a casual, less sharp last. I have plenty of dressier lasts available to me, but I wanted something more unique, and I thought that the combination of this style and the last would work well. This is a crust calf leather done with a kind of a reverse ombre patina, I guess. It starts out black and becomes gradually lighter, and you can see a nice shine here on the tip with a fastener right here, which is very unique. Very clean stitching and stitch work done on the seams of the upper. You can see this very gently tapered but very clean heel block with a slightly scalloped shape here. You can see a slight notch which offsets the heel block from the waist, and gently beveled waist both on the medial and lateral aspects of the shoe with a little fiddle back, as you can see there. JR leather soles with a metal toe plate and a rubber back heel, and then the silver loop metal buckle that you can see right there. Pretty high stitch density. If I had to guess, that's probably about 10 stitches per inch, maybe a little higher than that. Nice work done with the fudge wheel to create an elegant edge to that outsole, and a blind waist where you can see that the stitching is no longer visible on either side of the shoe. The one seam to join 2 pieces of leather right here. And for completeness, let's take a look at the other shoe. Here you're seeing a nice view of this shoe and its profile from the inside around. Now you can see the outer aspect of the shoe and what profile you might get in that way. Again, the Winson Equinox, their spiral monk, a single monk design done on the Maryland lass using a cross calf leather with a black to burgundy or dark brown, red brown patina scheme with a silver buckle, a natural finish to the sole, toe plate, JR soles with a fiddle back, and beveled edges to the waist. It's a beautiful shoe. I'm looking forward to putting it through its paces, and I will see you down the road with more details as they come. Bye.